We all know the moment when you're watching a movie and someone's phone just starts ringing, and that is just so frustrating. And just when you're at the climax or a plot twist, someone's phone just rings and it destroys all the fun. By keeping this problem in mind, I present to you Soundcard. So to do this, obviously I was gonna use Python, and these are the steps which I actually came up with the least. After some research, which is indirectly the first page of Google, 30 decibels is about a whisper, normal conversation is about 60 decibels, and our thing is normal decibels range. Now I just reused my old code without the seconds part for microphone input, but I needed a way to get the current decibel value, so the Stack Overflow answer helped me. It was basically by using the root mean square method. Now to get the duration of a video in Python, and Stack Overflow just helped me a lot. It just helps in everything, alright? Here's a basic testing of the program. Hello, I'm talking right now. Can you hear me? Hello, hello, I'm talking right now. Hello, hello, hi, hello, hello, are you there? No. The values are reversed. So if you saw here, the values being closer to 0 means they're loud, and away from 0 is that means they're getting softer and softer. This happened because the microphone input is getting the input in negative. This is a visual representation of a program using matplotlib library, and I basically added if the volume is high or low, and depending on that we'll start doing the action. We'll see that later, but for now just see the visual representation. And now the final product is here. Okay, so I have the program up and running right now. It's see the volume is at 0, and the program will be running right now. Okay, so it's running now again, and you can see the voice, and my hand is not, my hands here as you can see, and the other one's used for recording, and you can see that it's increasing its volume, and you can also see that I'm not pressing the keyboard and it's increasing its volume each time it detects that there's a higher volume. That was it for now. Hope you liked it. If you liked it, then please do subscribe to watch more content like this. Thank you.